Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This morning I did a video on this and I made a color so we could use it in this progress. And it just so happens to be, I'm an RGB guy. If we go to color eyedropper, you can see that's an RGB color. So I'm going to take a sample and I'm going to fill that in. They were a little bit confused how I got it into my color palette. All you have to do is just take it over here and it'll say, and there it is right there. There's that color. So if you want to use that color on everything, you can just pick that color. Now, later on, if you don't want that color, you can go to Windows Palettes and Palette Editor, and there's that color right there, and delete the color, and you have to say yes, and then say okay. Now that palette, that color is gone. And this is like any other thing. If you want to make let's say we want to make a new red. I want to make it a little bit lighter. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to add a little white to it. So see how it's more like an orange? So now I can take that color and I'm going to try to place it right there underneath the red. Probably don't really want it there, but then I can do anything with that same color by just picking that color. And once again, if you want to later on delete it, go to Color Palette, Palette Editor, get that color and just say delete that color. You've got to say yes and then say okay, and that color is gone. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman, and thank you for watching.